Hi, welcome back. I'm David, talking tech and audio as we do every week here on the channel. If you subscribe, that's brilliant. And if you haven't, well, what are you waiting for? The buttons are just down there. You know what to do. So a couple of weeks ago, we started looking at the Essential Sound panel inside of Adobe Audition. It's been within Audition now for a couple of years, and it is fantastic. It makes a lot of those tricky tasks super simple. The one we're going to look at this week got me out of jail so many times in my radio days. I didn't have a producer, so it meant I had to time my shows and podcast myself. And if I was getting towards the top of the hour and needed an ad break, or getting towards the end of a podcast and a track was just fractionally too short or too long, I use this remix feature all of the time. So let's jump inside of Adobe Audition and take a look at what I was doing. Okay, let's take a look at the remix feature inside of the Essential Sound panel of Adobe Audition. Don't forget, if you don't see the Essential Sound panel open in your workstation, just make sure you go up to Window and make sure that it is checked there. Okay, I'm going to drag this music bed in. I'm just going to make it a little bit quieter for us so it's not fighting our voice. And once it's in there, you can see it's 35 seconds long. Now, let's say you needed this to be a specific length of time, either to go to the end of a podcast, or say you had a duration of clip inside of your YouTube video you wanted to use it for. I'm going to say 75 seconds. So we want to take this 35-second piece of music and make it into 75 seconds. And it is within a few clicks away. It's so simple. Go into the music panel, check duration. Let's not bother about stretch. I'm not a big fan of that, but remix is brilliant. Check that and you'll see that Adobe analyzes the music. Now come into here and put in your duration, which was 75 seconds. And you can see these little white squiggles. That is where Adobe has made the remixes, made the cuts. And if we just listen to it, the ear really cannot tell. Take a listen to this. Brilliant, isn't it? The human ear cannot hear what it's done. And now we have got that mixed down to 1 minute 17 seconds. So suddenly you have gone, as you can see from the, if I take the playhead to the end, we've got a long tail on it there. There you go, 1 minute 17. So we have remixed that to the exact duration that we want simply by bringing the music inside of the Essential Sound panel, making sure you go to duration, check remix, let Adobe go through the piece of music and analyze it, put in your duration, and your work is done. So what are you going to be using the Essential Sound panel for in your video and audio productions? Let me know in the comments down beneath. Don't forget to turn on all notifications so you don't miss any one of these Tuesday tutorial videos. I'm going to leave a link at the end of this one if you've got a few minutes spare to where I explain how to sidechain inside of Adobe Audition. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.